Welcome, today I am with OnePlus 10 Pro and I want to show you camera features, camera hidden modes and other stuff. So at the first we are going to start from the photo mode, and right here we can find a couple of the useful options. The first one, you can just simply tap on the screen, and when this sun icon shows on the screen you can just decrease or increase brightness level. Take a look. And by moving this sun icon just like that, and when you click also on this lock, you will stay with the focus. To unlock, just click another time on the screen, and that's it. And to adjust the automatically brightness level, just tap on the screen once. Take a look. That's how it works. Okay, so another option, when you click and hold the shutter, you can start recording video. When you move this shutter to the lock like that and release, it will stay on the video mode, and right now you don't have to hold this button anymore. And right now you are able, for example, to take photos while recording. You can pause video by tapping here, play, and of course change lenses, just like that. To finish, click in this place. When you find the volume buttons, they are right here in this place. I hope that you can see them right now in this place. So when you press the volume up, you can just take photo, and volume down the same. As you can see, it works really good. Another option that we can find right here, now we can tap on this small icon and then we can switch to the filters, and as you can see right now the filters appears right here. We got a few different presets. As you can see, they change all the colors and temperature also a little bit. So for example, if you want to take photo with this mode, just select, click on the shutter, and there it is. To go back for the normal one, just select original and tap outside the preview on the screen. Okay, and right now if you want to get better quality on your photos, you can definitely click right here and enable the high mode. Right now our phone switches to the 48 megapixel mode, and let's take photo. Right now let's check preview how it looks. Right now we can just focus, for example, on this phone keyboard. Not bad actually, looks good. But for the last few days I tested the Xiaomi 12 series, and even the cheapest phone from the series, the Xiaomi 12X, take better photos in this high quality mode. But the photo looks not that bad, definitely better than without this mode. Right now we can simply go for the settings, so we have to tap in this place, and as you can see we can enable camera timer for 3 or 10 seconds. When you select one of the options and click on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken. Right now let's turn it off and go for the main settings. As you can see, here we are. We can also find here few useful options. For example, we can enable grid lines. Next we can scroll down and we can go for the sharing methods, when we can find option tap to capture. So right now when we enable this option, and by the way there are the grid lines on the screen, you can just tap on the screen to take photo. You don't have to reach for this bottom shutter, you can just simply click on the screen. So it will be useful for you, for example, in the situation when you cannot use your second hand like that. It works also in this mode. Okay, right now let me just turn it off. And as you know, we can click and hold the shutter button to record video, but also we can take series of the photo. So we have to switch to take the burst shot and take a look right now how it works. As you can see, we can take series of 20 photos. Right now when you click and hold the volume button, it also works, so it applies on the shutter and the volume buttons at the same time. Okay, we can keep scrolling, and right here we can also change the volume button function. Currently set up on the shutter, but we can use them as a zoom feature, and take a look how great it works. So let's press volume up to zoom in. As you can see, we can zoom to the 30 times, and actually this zoom looks really good, very sharp. That's nice. To zoom out, of course, press the volume down button. And when you are in the zoom feature, when you click on the selected lens, you got more presets. You can go for the 1x, 3.3, 5, 10, and also we got this slider. With this slider, you can simply adjust the zoom feature, and actually the zoom is very clear, very good looking. That's nice. I'm surprised about the zoom quality in this phone. Okay, so right now we can go for the additional modes. So we have to go right here for the more tab, and for example I want to show you this option called the 150. Take a look. How wide is this lens? That looks really crazy. And there's no way to take this kind of the photo with the normal lens. Let's make a small comparison. Take a look. Okay, so honestly that's all for the OnePlus 10 Pro. I hope that these features, hidden modes and other stuff will help you while taking photos or videos in this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.